Okay, so I've been playing around with some settings on the computer, and I changed the firmware file on this Bafang motor for the controller, and now I can have max 30 amps. It still says 48 volts, but it is actually running on, right now it's 58 volts. I just charged the bike, so it's 30 amps, 58 volts right now, not 48. And so I'll read it all so you can read it, and it stays at 30 amps. So that is my setting now. Max current is 30 amps. The settings, I'm just going to move this. General settings. This is my settings. 43 is the low volt protection. So I fixed that. It used to keep going back to 42. So everything's the way I'd like it right now. It's at 30 amp current limit, 43 volt cutoff. And here's the settings I have that I do like. This is how I'm going to keep the bike. That's my power levels. I like to have the level 0 as my walk. So that's a pretty good walk right there. And I like to have the lower currents on 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this bike does have no speed limit once you hit power level 9. It just goes 100%. That's my pedal assist. This is the start current I lowered down to 20. My keep current is at 50. So out of everything I tried, this is how I like it. This is how I'm going to keep it. My start current for throttle is 7%. I went down from 10. So right now, I'm going to do some top speed or some full throttle runs through all the gears. I'm going to start on the lowest gear with the 36 tooth and go all the way down to the 11 tooth. I'm just going to switch through the gears, and I have a shift sensor, so it shuts down the current briefly while I'm shifting. So I'm gonna pin it right off 36 tooth and go right through the gears to top speed. Once I get through this trail here, I got my dog, so if she runs in front of me, I'll slow down. I should be able to get a few runs at full speed. And I'm not going to pedal. Okay, she's biting my foot right now. Okay, Roxy, come on, let's go. Let's go. She's still biting me. At least I have steel toe boots on. Otherwise it would hurt. Okay, stop. Stop biting. Okay, I'm going to go up to power level 9. Well, I gotta lower my gears right now. I'm gonna go nice and slow to lower the gears. Okay, I'm in the lowest gear now. I'll let her get the lead for a sec. Okay, it's hard to pin in this one. I just pulled cat up, so I'll take it easy in the first. is going, I'll watch the recording. I don't think this app calculates the watts properly, because I should be showing 1750 watts at least, or somewhere at least around 1700. I think the app calculates the amps times 48 volts. So I think the app needs a little bit of calibration, but that's how the bike shifts through the gears with a shift sensor. Pretty smooth, even in power level 9. Only thing is, when you're shifting down to the lower gears, to the bigger teeth at the back, to the 36, you have to go kind of slow on the throttle or pedaling, or it's clunky when you're downshifting, and it's really smooth upshifting in any power level, but you just got to be careful the way you upshift into the lower gears. When you're going from small gears to the big ones, you just have to slow things down a bit. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick video on this new configuration file. You have to flash the controller on the motor to be able to change your motor so you can do 30 amps. But anyways, the 30 amps does make a difference. I can feel it. The two extra amps does give you power. Even after that run, my battery's not hot. The cables aren't even warm. So that's not hard on it to do that. But it is fun to have that power when you want it. That was 100% throttle, no pedaling. Anyways, thanks for watching.